Okay, so this is a 1v1 BVR setup. Start off 27 miles. This is perfect conditions. This is two F4s over the sea. There's going to be no clutter, there's no cloud. So it means that the radar picture is very clear, which is why I get such an early pickup. What I did was I recorded the AVTR, converted that into video, and that's on the right. Just take a look at a couple of things in that. One of which is where is the cursor, which is the two vertical bars in the center, and then keep an eye on the elevation, as that ends up being important later. So we're going to come in, we're going to do a sync Z turn, come round, and then dispatch with an aim 9, of course, after launching an aim 7 at the start. So roll VT. Just has not picked it up at 26 miles. There you get the first blip. Takes a bit of a while for him to lock. I command that with a long press. And all the time I'm trying to correct it to keep it central, just as then locks. So I've now got a lock. I'm now really correcting, trying to bring it down so there's zero offset for this part of the profile. Coming into 15 miles now. Note the steer circle is within the ASE. The elevation strobe is absolutely bang on, so I'm still level with the jet, the other jet. "10 miles within our max 1. So Fox 1, crank left, hard crank, and I put it right on the right hand side. I don't go all the way out in case I lose the lock. It's probably slightly nervy of me. Hold it on that line as it comes down. Really trying to hold it on the line. Okay, so that's the splash. Continue to convert that into a stern. Note as I come round, I'm coming down the hill here, but I'm losing a lot of speed. I'm pulling the G, losing really too much speed. I should put burners in. 90-degree angle of bank pretty much. Coming around, nicely converted. I now know he's straight ahead, but what I hadn't realised was if you look at the elevation strobe, it's elevated, meaning he's above me, so it takes me a bit of a while to identify the target. I've already switched to sidewinders, and when I launch, I uncage the sidewinder by holding down that area refueling button, and then Fox 2. So it's a rangy Fox 2. It is a rangy Fox 2, and I put another one in. Really, I should put plugged in reheat and chased him down, because the second Fox 2 I do is really outside of parameters, and in fact doesn't hit. I think it goes ballistic right at the end. Runs out of puff. And there you go. Almost there, not quite. Hope that gives you a good idea. I hope it helps having the video as well next to the TAC view. Any questions, let me know. Cheers, guys.